Benefits of quantifying ourselves are clear. It helps us to motivate, give visibility, and understand how well we are progressing towards our goals. And a smart scale plays an important role in it. Introducing Hestley's Advanced Digital Body Fat Scale with BMI function, which not only measures your body weight, but also measures other important parameters like fat percentage, water percentage, calories, muscles, bones, and BMI. The stylish, high-strength stainless steel platform adds to the durability and strength of the scale. It is also a perfect product to add to the grace of your stylish home. It supports 10 users, so you can keep a track on parameters for the whole family. The BMI scale comes with 3 replaceable AAA 1.5 volts batteries for long-lasting power backup. The red LCD digital display allows you to view clearly from any angle or in dark areas. The scale is engineered with German-designed high-precision G sensors to ensure accurate results. The device is featured with anti-skid padding to prevent the scale from unbalancing. Scale displays weight in kilogram, pound, and stone by using the button located underneath the scales. To get started, insert 3 AAA batteries after removing plastic insulation strips from the battery compartment. Place the scale on hard and flat surface and ensure that the scale is showing 0.0. Step on the scale and step off as the first reading is the calibration reading. Now you will need to input your user information, press Set to enter the setting mode and choose between profile from P0 to P9. Press Set to choose your gender by selecting between male and female icon. Now press Set to input your height and press Set one more time to select your age by using up and down button. Finally, press Set to confirm your details. The scale will now be on 0.0. Now stand bare feet on the scale with good contact with the electrodes. When the weight is displayed stable, you will see 4-0 countdown. The measurements will display in the following order: body fat, water percentage, muscle mass, bone mass, calories suggestion, BMI, and weight again. The device will show LO in case of low battery, ERR in case of overweight, and ERR2 when the fat test is failed. The Hestley BMI scale is also featured with auto-off power system to save the battery life. Note: do not use the scale with wet feet and keep it away from dust. The scale is not suitable for babies, pregnant women, and objects.